What's up, YouTube? I'm Joshua Dufarina. I'm going to tell you people that Big Bird and Telly need to quit being... No, Big Bird and Telly need to quit being mad at Cookie Monster, okay? Listen to this Sesame Street episode, Cookie Touch, okay?
Yeah. We're going to change it up a bit. Something lunchy. What you got?
Let's see. I've got tuna sandwiches. Tuna sandwich with chopped
Yum.
carrots on rye bread.
Me take it. That sounds delicious.
But wait, Cookie. Do I have to wear my...
Oh, look at that. That was delicious. Tuna sandwich. You know, Chris, sometime it's time for cookie, and sometime it's time for tuna sandwich. Cookie. Wait, where me sandwich?
No more sandwiches for you, Cookie. Remember the whole Cookie Touch thing?
Yeah, but right now, me want tuna sandwich.
I don't think you're going to be having any more tuna sandwiches, Cookie. Remember, everything you touch turns into a cookie.
You mean me can never taste scrumptious tuna again?
No more scrumptious tuna for Cookie.
What about me mommy's homemade lasagna?
Mama's lasagna's lasagna. Remember that whole Cookie Touch?
Why me not think of this when me made wish? Oh no. Oh. Well, at least me made me friends happy. Cookie Monster!
Cookie Monster!
Cookie! Yeah.
Cookie,
You
turned my favorite triangle into a cookie.
Yeah.
And my new dinosaur book too, see?
Yeah, why you not eat your cookies?
No, I don't want to eat it. I love that triangle. I want it back. Yeah, and I want my dinosaur book back. I can't read it if it's a cookie.
But me thought that me cookie touch made everybody happy.
Oh, it didn't make me happy. It made me sad and kind of angry. Yeah, I'm angry too. And sad. I miss my triangle.
Oh no! Me made me friends sad and angry. Oh, cookie touch disaster. Oh.
Big Bird and Telly, that's a no-no for being mad at Telly. Even for you two, you better say you're sorry to Cookie Monster. Cookie Monster doesn't have to stop turning your things into cookie. He could do whatever the heck he wants. It's a freedom of speech. If Cookie Monster doesn't want to obey, he does not have to. You can't force him to stop turning your things into cookies. We all have the freedom to do what we want. You can't take that away from us and say what we can and cannot do with our lives. And Telly, Big Bird, you don't just get mad at Telly because he wanted you two to eat the cookies. You don't say, no, I don't want to eat it. So, Big Bird Telly, say you're sorry to Cookie Monster, or you're going to jail. Just let me know what you guys think. And people be like to me, Joshua Dufarina, quit being rude to Telly and Big Bird. And I'll be like, but they started it. And they'll be like to me, don't care if they started it. It's their life and they can get mad at Cookie Monster if they want to. And I'll be like, no, because I make the rules on YouTube. 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 And Telly and Big Bird, you two better say you're sorry to Cookie Monster just because Cookie Monster turned your things into cookie. He wanted you two to have cookies. It's a free country. You got me! Just let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Bye.